welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving deep into a world of data visualization with the Tableau. If you are a data enthusiast, business professional, or just curious about how to turn raw data into actionable insights, you are in the right place. So first up, what is exactly Tableau is? Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool that helps you transform your data into interactive and visual appearing dashboards. I like one thing about Tableau most, that is, without extensive technical skills, can create a stunning reports and visualization. And it also can connect various data sources from Excel spreadsheets to the SQL database. So there are more reasons the Tableau is essential for data-driven decision making. The first is user-friendly interface. Tableau design is straightforward, making it accessible for the users of all skill levels. The second one, real-time data analysis, so it can connect to the live data source. Third, collaboration and sharing. You have given your efforts creating dashboard that can be shared with your colleagues and stakeholders. Fourth one is advanced analytics. It has features like forecasting, trend lines, clustering for deeper insights. Actually, I can go on with many features, but instead of discussing on the basic idea, we will check it in practical sessions. See you in next session.